How to create Snapchat account. First of all, go ahead and open up your Play Store and then search Snapchat. Then install this app on your mobile. After that, open it and then tap on sign up, and now type your name here and then tap on continue. Now select your date of birth, then tap on continue, and then here you will get your username. If you want to change your username, then tap on change your username, then tap on continue. Now create a password for a Snapchat account. After that, tap on continue, and now type your Gmail address here and then tap on continue, and then it will ask you for your phone number. If you wanna give your phone number, then type your phone number here, otherwise tap on skip, and then again tap on skip, tap on skip, and then tap on this profile picture icon at the upper left corner, and then tap on this gear icon, and then tap on email, and then check your email address, and then tap on send verification email, and then tap on OK. Now open your email account. Now reload this page, and after that you will get a mail from Snapchat. Open the mail and then tap on confirm mail, and after that you will get interface like that. Email address verified, and now go to your Snapchat, and as you can see that email address verified, and now go back, and as you can see that my Snapchat account has been created. So following this simple process, you can also create your Snapchat account. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.